rides. And
kubo. Ha? Ano ba yung English ng kubo? Ano ba ilagay mo dito? Mushroom. Kaso pag pinalitan natin yung ano, yung sa bahay. Pag pinalitan natin yung sa bahay, mas maliit siya. Hindi ako dito ihatid ulit. Yung buo. Doon sa dagat ulit ang daan.
Doon po ito, mas malaki.
Saan? Tingin daw. Ito, 5. Magsalita ka naman, English.
and yes, baby, right?
Uy, ano yan? Are you nakakagat? Siyempre, hindi naman yan nananampal. Ano ba ganyan? Ay, ito, abay. Ang nabili ko ito nung nakaraan, ang ganda pa rin. Wala pang problema eh. Mas malaki to?
Oo, parang doon.
Mas malaki. Ay, putang ina.
How much?
Mas ganda to.
How much?
45.
Ito, 45.
I'm 45. Wow. I'm on the 45 and house.
Oh. Ayun pag ano naman, sa buhat naman ng mata. Siguro na ito, mahaba-habang kakrana naman ito. Mas okay ito, mas maluwag talaga ito. Tsaka may tumigaw. Lalagyan ko na lang dyan ng jumper sniper yung kama. Para, siguro tutulugan nyo. Uy, ingatan mo yung i-edit mo dyan ah. Panis na ba yan?
Ano yung pinakamalaki na open?
Ito talaga ang bagay dun. Sa, kumbaga, aalisin ko na yung kubo yung isa. Yung ginawa ni Papa, papalitan
Yes.
ko lang ito.
Yes.
Yung kuya lang muna. Meron ba kayo ito? Pero naman ngayon, dito lang lang. Ibas. Ha? Mas okay yan. Hoy! Hindi, mabait siya. Nakakulot. Mabait. Mga aso ba ito? Dog fish pinala ko. Dog fish pearl.
Thank you, my friends. Next time to be back.
Ay!
Hey, what's up, guys? Let's go, guys. And
Kuya Dang, ay, Anthony
and
Lovely.
Lovely and the house. Yes, and boat and paddle and sumay and car pala car.
I'm going to drive the van today.
Yes.
Kuya Dang is always visiting Dolay. His wife, no brain.
No break.
Uy, sino yung kinaway yung kinakaway ko kamunti? Kaway pa ako.
Good morning.
May English hero.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine. And yes, baby.
Gago!
Wala. Oh, hero, kaway pa ako ng buhay. Hindi pala kayo yun.
Yeah, that's my driver.
Hindi, ba't ba nito to?
Huh?
Bumalik lang siya?
Bumalik lang.
Ah.
How are you?
Siya pala.
How are you today? How's your challenge?
Asan yung...
And my Oh no! Oh no!
Editing.
Editing!
Yeah.
I don't know! Come on, yan! Nasa akin walang editing!
It's okay.
Wala,
It's
wala.
okay.
Oh, no, very, no,
Yes.
no, very, oh.
That's me and Blacken and me and get out. Kupal ka.
Kuya! Kagabi pa ako tawa ng tawa! Sabi ko, paano na yan? Ang challenge mo ang pagkakasaya! Siguro ka kung sigaw ang vlog, siguro kada sa 10 araw, pipe! Pipe challenge!
Hindi nagsasalita.
Hindi nagsasalita. Saya mo din sa ulit, nandito ka, kuya. Yaya, atras ko lang yan!
Wow.
Kukunin na lang kuya ang sasakyan.
Kunin ko na kaya ulit yung expander ko.
Is
Kaya, kunin mo na din kaya.
the
Buti kayo dito, parang ganda ang grahin nyo. Bakit? May samurai dito eh.
Ha?
May samurai.
May samurai nga dyan. Yan.
Tagal kong hindi nag-drive. Parang malambot yung gulo.
Alright, baby. And to
Dahil.
have to be back.
Kukunin na ni Chapos na. Hindi lang. Kanya bahala na sa buhay na. Sinadali to.
Ano si ano? Si Dieter?
Yan.
Sino driver mo ngayon?
Nakawala siya.
Wala si Dieter?
Wala. Hindi, nandyan. Alam mo,
Ako na. Ano sa kabungot? Ito, ang lupit naman ang... Parang nagsasamuray dito eh.
Nasama to, nasama. Wala, hindi ka nakasama.
Wala, iwan ka na. Dapat ka mag-aral na ng buwan. Nakatawa ako dito.
Para nahawa ka ng ano dyan ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Yan. Kaya may sasakay lang din ako. May lalagay din lang ako. Gamit. Yun o.
Ah, meron pala itong ano eh, monitor dito sa camera no?
Yung gagawin mo. Oh. Magiging mo na rin.
Ganito yung unang nung driver pa ako. Pangalawang van na dinadrive ko ay ganito. Ano sa Antipolo. Ang ganda gamitin ng mga ganito. Pero yun Toyota. Ito Nissan to eh.
Yeah. You need cable.
Apa?
Wow.
Kailangan ko ba?
Oo.
Amazing, huh?
Ay, teka, maputik. Ano ko na lang doon.
Diyan lang, daw wala na lang. Diyan lang plus dyan. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, baby, alright.
Ayan guys, wala na. Kailangan na lang po yan. Sisitin natin.
Para gumagawa ka ng thumbnail. Gumagawa ka ng thumbnail ah.
Yan, kailangan na.
How?
Hi, guys.
How are you? Are you feeling better?
Yeah, and to this man.
So, how's the jelly?
Yes.
Wala! How's the jelly? Yeah!
Gasto ka muna, 20 mil.
Ganyan lang? Oo.
Yo, hungry? Dapat
Yeah.
dapat pa pre na.
It's my hungry? Yes.
Iyak ya, iyak.
Bay, nag-uod ang pangarap niya ganun. Lapit-lapit na eh. Sabi ko, wala tayong magagawa. Hindi ko muna sinabi. 40?
Ganyan kahaba, pero yung laki.
Pero ano, may... Ito. Sabi ko, ituloy ko lang. Punta yata dyan sa tapakan. Para tayo.
You're my baby in hungry? Yes.
Yung prito lang muna to, prito. Sari-sari ng kalukuhan.
Pinatalong hipon.
Yan, dyan kayo.
Nangihimas na naman.
Nangihimas na naman.
Ay, pinapayat na lang yan.
Wala pang kain. Pero magkakain na to mo. Ang lupit mo kay Dang. Para nga si Chef Lombro.
Wow! Amoy tuyo na may hipo.
Sarap yan, nilagyan ng butter at saka oyster sauce. With matching tuyo.
Hindi nyo ba alam si Kuya Dang dati ano niya? Napakagaling magluto niya.
Yolo.
Master cook niya, master cook.
Prito lang to, prito.
Mahaw, Paploy!
Langaw, langaw.
Hindi pwedeng ano yan. Matagal luto, hindi yan.
Hindi, ano lang to. Ganito lang. Mapakulay mo lang siya ng mapula-pula, okay na yan.
Hapnoy.
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 Then after nito, gagawin ko na yung butter garlic shrimp.
Yo.
Ano, okay na yan?
No.
Okay.
Hapnoy.
Laknoy! Okay na daw to?
Gano'ng kabilis
Hindi, ito po'y prito lang.
Aprito lang ba yan?
Oo, ayun yung ano, ayun yung butter garlic shrimp.
Tingnan mo ang panis na pagluluto ni Kuya Dang. Ang panis. Diba?
Okay na yan?
Kaya nakalupit ni Kuya Dang magluto.
Prito lang naman to.
Yung isa hindi mo magsalita.
Magsalita ka kasi!
Magsalita!
It's my hungry?
Kaya okay na to tayo. Hindi pa.
The only English.
Yes.
It's my hungry. It's my hungry.
Malit? Malit?
What do you call that? What do you call that?
It's a big.
It's a big. Kala ko ba hindi makahinga dahil maliit. Ang damit. Naging big na ngayon. Hindi mo alam small.
Asan si Dulce? Asan si Dulce?
It's editing.
How about?
No.
Nasaan ba si Kuya ng Ubay? Nasaan ba si Sniper? Patay! Another 1,000!
Ubos sa sahod mo bayaw.
It's okay. And the house.
Dari-dari pa naman na eh. Hindi mo agad naisip na eh.
Oy. Why?
Mountain. Because clay is azul.
Tatay Tatsuki is a mountain group.
English. English. This side they say.
Kikilaw na yun ni Papa.
At tama-tama at kakagaling ko lang po kung saan.
Yes. This is a Samsung, hindi
Ano ginagawa nila?
Ano ginagawa niya?
Cooking show, dapat ikaw yung ano, nag-voice over.
Dito ka ka.
Okay, na yun. Hipon.
Mamahan!
Wow, it's a pride. Pride. Proud, no?
Eh, pag-English na halo-halo.
Mixing.
Proud.
Mixing.
Mekos, mekos!
Mekos, mekos, insan.
May nakabukod na din eh. Kanina ba yung Oh yes, baby, alright. Hey. It's my coffee drinks. Wow, amazing. This is my coffee tayo, guys. Wow.
Sa akin, dami kong wala yun.
Tapos na pinanong sa akin ito, bago ibinigay ko dito. Coffee, my friends.
Later, my friend. Later. Okay.
Yeah. This okay?
Very fine, very fine.
Very fine. Nakita mo sa nung hapon na nalok sa yung hipon na doon. Yes. Papar na agos eh. It's my headphone and hindi yung talon na jump. It's my jump and
What kind of jumping?
okay, jumping. And jump and seafood smell.
What kind of English?
Wow! Very nice. Hey! Good morning, Frankie.
Good morning.
Yes.
Yeah. Why you can stop your talking?
And
talking about you.
eat to Chong.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. How about you? You hungry also?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Wow. You continue talking to me.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's very nice.
Well, it's very nice.
Oh,
Your English, even you cannot speak. It's okay for me because I'm also not good English.
yes, baby, alright.
Yeah. You work hard English. Trabaho yun the work hard.
It's the word English. Yeah, it's the word English. And that, yeah. And Kabansot and during the facial,
Not around here.
MBC.
Busy. I think she's
BC is important.
busy is like maraming ginagawa.
Yeah.
That's the you know mga kahaw, I'm also not good English, but I pretend myself to good English, but now I'm not totally how to speak English. A little bit.
A little bit. Oh.
You continue sharing.
Yo, my chat and Mrs. Kahaw and withdrawal.
Withdrawal your blogging? Or you withdraw your money?
Money.
Okay.
Yo, withdrawal and money.
Yeah.
And
Yes. you chat you to buy the ingredients.
To going in market?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After you withdraw the item, you withdraw the money, you're going to the market.
Yes.
Okay.
And store.
The start of the market, wheat market, you buy
Yes, and,
any kind of ingredients. Okay.
The store and house.
From
Yes.
your, you buy the ingredients, then bring to your home. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you cook. You cook. What kind of food you cook?
Yung mga vlog nyo kahapon na yung video yung mga
It's my and Japper Sniper and to be in upload. What?
Nice vlogging.
Nice.
Nice talking.
I see. Nice talking and hey, what's up, man?
it's okay.
Why? Why do that and something to animal and fine and very?
What kind of language?
Hey, it's me and withdrawal and the market.
Go to the market?
Yes,
Why?
and beautiful.
In your one table, in your
Oh yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yes, baby. Thank you, my channel, and very much. And Kaho official.
Yeah.
Yes. And once na.
Okay lang yun. Once na.
And actually, and by the way, and fine. Thank you.